I am so bummed that our class meeting today was kind of a no-go because of Zoom. We were going to start Tech Tuesday. Every Tuesday I was going to show you a new app. So we still do it just through this video instead. So on your iPad, you have Chatterkid already installed. So it should be at the bottom. You're going to go and click on it. And it's a vertical app. That means I need to turn my iPad this way.
Welcome to Chatterkid.
We're going to make really silly videos today. So now I want to choose take a photo, which is, I'm trying to get less glary. There it goes. The orange button says, or the yellowy orange button says take photo. Oops, I can't. So I need to go back out. It says the settings don't allow me to. So I'm going to go back out. I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to tell Chatterkid that it's okay to take a video. I want to scroll all the way to the bottom on this left hand side until I see the same app. I'm going to keep scrolling on the bottom on the left side. I see Chatterkid right here in my long list of apps. So I'm going to click on Chatterkid. The problem is it's not letting me take pictures or videos. So I'm going to click on photos. And I'm going to say read and write, the last option down here. So in Chatterkid, so right here in Chatterkid, I'm saying it's okay to read and write video. So now I can double click my home button, X out of settings. I don't need the settings, to swipe up out of settings. And now when I go back into Chatterkid, it should let me take a picture.
Welcome to Chatterpix.
So now, which color button do I need to make a new video? Was it yellow or red? You're right, yellow. Watch what happens. I can take a picture now. I don't want to take a picture on a microwave, so I'm going to turn my iPad around for a second. I want to take a picture of me. So now my picture is on here. I need to find my mouth and use my finger to draw where my mouth is. Since we're going to make my mouth talk. Now, you could tell me how you're feeling today. So I'm going to click on the microphone and speak into the iPad of how I'm feeling.
Record in 3, 2, 1, go!
I am frustrated because Zoom is not working. So I recorded my message. If I want to check it before I move on, I can check it by hitting the green arrow. I am frustrated because Zoom is not working. So you may be happy, you may be sad, or you may be frustrated like me. Did you notice when I play my... I am frustrated because Zoom share is not about my feelings? The mouth line I drew? Just move that mouth on my picture. So now at the top, I'm going to click next. Now comes the fun part. Across the bottom, and you can explore. There's so many things I could do. So the first one's a filter. I could change what I look like. May I look like broken glass? Maybe I like that color. I think I'm going to stick with the broken glass today, so that's how I'm feeling today since Zoom is not working. So then across the bottom again, I can add stickers by clicking stickers. Well, there are so many stickers you can add. So you can be more creative, but I want to keep this video short, so I'm just going to add one sticker to mine. I know there's some silly glasses. So I clicked on the glasses I want. And now I could pinch. I can make them smaller by taking 2 fingers and pinching. I can make them bigger. I could turn them sideways. So I want to be wearing the silly glasses. You can add more stickers if you want. You can also add frames. So at the bottom, there's also a frame option. And today I know there's a fall one since it's almost fall in a few weeks. I want the fall frame. Maybe you don't want a frame, maybe you want to explore. And I'm not going to add text today, but there's also text boxes if you want to add letters to your picture or words to your picture. So when I'm happy with my picture, I'm going to hit this yellow arrow. Now I check one more time if I'm happy with it. I am frustrated because I know I'm happy with it. So now to send it to Seesaw, I'm going to click this button that kind of looks like an iPad. And that will send it. to my camera roll. It says exporting to camera roll. That means it's taking my Chatterpix and putting it into my iPad. Export complete. So now, when I go back into Seesaw, I get exit out of Chatterpix and go back into Seesaw. Now, when I go to add, I get add. I'm going to go to upload since it's on my iPad. And I'm going to upload to photos and recent. And those, I did one for practice this morning, but I like this one better. So I can click on the Chatterkid I just did. I am frustrated because Zoom is not working. And then I hit the green arrow and that'll send it to your Seesaw. Wow, now it's in Seesaw. I get submitted like any other Seesaw assignment by clicking the green arrow. And find your name, so I'm sample student. Mine's kind of boring. I'm just a sample student. And I get upload by clicking the green arrow. I can upload my Chatterkid into Seesaw. Now Miss Crane can see all the cool work I did. So for Tech Tuesday, thank you for joining me. That is how we use Chatterkids. That's what we were going to do during our class meeting today.